welcome back to YouTube channel.
Today we are in Kirby's Family Farm, and we'll be doing that.
Tonight we actually came here to do the Christmas train. And the Christmas train, so you guys know, this event has been happening here in Kirby's Farm now for this is their 10th year.
Oh wow.
10th year. And for what we can see, it's very popular. There's a lot of people over here. And if you don't remember, we came here a few months ago when they were having the scary train.
Yes.
I wasn't sure there was no scare jump.
Yeah.
But there was an awesome Christmas train that we gotta do. So we're gonna show you everything that you could find over here in this Christmas event, and we're super excited. In the meantime, we want to say thank you to Kirby Family for having us tonight. But anyways, if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Kool's Adventures. And our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Central Florida or any other part. With that said, become part of this family by simply
subscribing
and smashing that like button.
Hey, we're sharing any valuable content with you. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, let's ride that train. Hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the
All right, family, so this is where you come to do the line for the train, which we had the opportunity to do that train during Halloween, but tonight, we're actually gonna do it for Christmas, and I'm super excited about that. And in case you didn't know, what they do over here is that they help children in need and their family. Whether they're bringing them over here to give them a tour of the farm, they actually, there are non-profit organizations, so they help them with funds. So everything that they do is amazing over here. So this is the cutest thing. Only in Kirby's Farm you're able to see this. Look at this. Santa's elf happened to be here. Now this is pretty cool. Look how they decorated the actual train. This is amazing. Here's some more decorations in here in the train. Look at the lights. It's all wrapped up with lights here in the train. Wow. Karen, did you know that this train is over 100 years old? And Kirby's family maintains this train running. Yeah. So part of the funds that they actually gather from all their events throughout the year is for the maintenance of this train.
I'm sure it's
Yeah. I also want to point out to you guys that other than the family, everybody who works in this farm happens to be volunteers. Everybody. So this is amazing that people actually volunteer their time to help for a noble cause. And just so you guys know, they are also running this event all the way to December 26th on the weekends only. Only weekends all the way to December 26th.
All right, where's my moms and grandmas? Where's all the kids? That should be everybody on board. Everybody on board, you raising your hands. All right. Down she goes all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Check this out. This is very, very cute just to see, guys. I did mention that this event runs all the way to December 26th, weekends only. So it will not, the last day that it will be operating before the 26th, it will be December 23rd. And then after that, it will be December 26th. Over here, you can see the historic Ringling Bros train over here, even illuminated with Christmas lights. Or reflection at least. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. I'm actually digging those three reindeer. That looks funny. This is very cute. Look at this. That is extra cool. That one is Santa's Depot. Very nice. That's kind of dope. Look at that. There's a dragon with the Santa hat. This is awesome. At this point, I have actually shut off all the lights because we're going in the middle of the forest or in the middle of different trees over here. I don't know if you can see the lasers pointing towards the trees, but it does look pretty cool though. Kind of creepy though. I know that during the Halloween season they use this spot as the scary section, but even during Christmas this effect looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can see this at home or you can see that on the trees. Pretty original though.
Enjoy a little Christmas wrap from Santa and Rudolph. Oh yeah.
Aw, yeah. You already know what time it is. I know. It's Jingle Bell time. Yeah, we're gonna put up a Christmas tree and hang some Christmas lights, but you can do the Christmas clap. You can do the Christmas clap. So get the Christmas clap.
All right, family, so we asked them if we can see the actual lighting here in the train. Look at this. Kirby Family Farms. This is amazing. Amazing. All right, family, something cool to see is where they have the kids on the stage dancing. So you come here with your family, you know you're going to have fun over here with them. Look at the different characters that they have on the stage. Oh, my. Oh, my, look at her. Oh, look at her. All right, so I know we were doing the Christmas clap. Now kids are dancing on the stage. So that's part of the activities that you can see over here. But also, other than the Christmas train, they do have, you could actually see Saint Nick himself. Yeah, you could actually do the dance party, like I mentioned. They have a petting zoo, so you could go visit that. You could ride the antique Ferris wheel and see lights from atop over a 1950 fully restored Ferris wheel.
Oh,
That's pretty dope, right?
yeah.
They do have a Christmas magic show. It's called Magic Show. And we could take a tractor ride to a lost Christmas town.
Ooh.
They do have a secret elf shop, an Italian carousel, and a whole bunch of rides.
That's a lot.
So they do offer a lot. And actually, let me tell you the prices. So the prices, they are actually asking for $15.99 for the contribution per person, and that's ages 10 and up, and $20 at the gate if available. So that's not expensive at
Not
all.
expensive at all. They do a lot, and they also have like
Local vendors, look at
local
that.
vendors. They have food trucks.
They do have a
have a
playground over there. Yeah, they have a fire pit over there for s'mores. This is awesome. And again, all this contribution goes towards, the foundation.
Yeah, for the foundation.
Amazing.
It's
Yeah.
It's an amazing organization.
Once again, we want to say thank you to the Kirby family for having us tonight,
Thank you so much.
because
I appreciate it.
it's super fun. We have officially found the secret elf shop. And what are the rules, Karen?
One gift per child, 10 and under, must have elf coupon to redeem for gift. Gift can be yours for yourself or another. Parents can't help. Elf shop closes at 9. So parents cannot help. Get out.
So on top of that, if you have a child that is 10 or below,
They're gonna give you this little voucher
over there
that lets you in into the elf shop.
to the elf shop, so you might walk out
You might walk out.
with a gift.
For you or to give to somebody.
Tell you what, Kirby Farm, they're awesome.
They are.
You guys gotta come and see them. As you can see, Kalel and Kyla have their tickets. They're going in there. We're just gonna do it to show you guys. Look at this. Wow. Look at all that, guys. So it's all the different things that you can select from. Pretty awesome, though. I don't want to, I'm assuming that as you come, they may change it. And I don't want to, say that this is what they're going to have, but this should give you an idea. And as the artist in Carla, what do you find over there?
A coloring book. I love Christmas coloring.
You love Christmas coloring book? Do you even have crayons still at home?
No.
But look at the different books that you can find over here if you decide to choose that. Look at that. A giant Moana coloring book. Check this out, guys. So after you make the selection, the elves wrap them up for you. This is awesome.
All that popcorn.
So Christmas present wrapper over there. That's pretty cool, though, right, kids?
Yes, I'm excited to help.
Nice.
Dad was being a bum cheek and wouldn't help me.
Parents are not supposed to.
Parents are not supposed to help. All right, let's go to the next location and check it out. And here's where you can find the old Saint Nick. And right over here where Kyla is at, she's actually writing a letter to Santa.
Dear Santa, my mom
This is
birthed
pretty
every-
awesome.
No, I'm saying, dear Santa, I want a unicorn that shoots lasers.
Kyla, just write Santa that your father deserves like a brand new car or something like that.
You have one.
Oh, no, I don't. So you're done, Kyla.
Yes.
What happened? What happened to your letter?
I basically said I want a unicorn that shoots lasers out of its eyes.
Is that what you wrote?
Yes.
Why are you being silly?
I don't think silly, that's what I want. And then I said, like, if
You
there's-
should have said,
if
"Can my
there's time, if
can
there's
my
time-
daddy get a brand new Tesla?" That's what you should have said. What? See,
No.
I'm gonna go over there. You know what? I'm talking to Santa himself right now.
Come on over here.
Look at this.
Oh, you've got some presents already? Good job. Did you get to ride the train yet?
Yes.
Yeah, how did you like it? Yeah, good job. All right, well, come on over here. Let me get both of you on each side there. So tell
We
me,
got Santa and Mrs. Claus, guys, right over here. That's awesome.
I want a unicorn that can shoot lasers out of its eyes.
unicorn. Oh my gosh. I'm not
She
sure
wants
if I
a
got that in the
unicorn.
North Pole yet. I'll have to work very hard on that one. All
Uh,
right, we'll see what we can do. And how about you?
I want a VR headset with Switch.
Very nice. That's a good present too. Well, I'm gonna work hard on trying to get both of those presents. The unicorn, the laser thing's not a problem. I'm just not sure about finding the unicorn. All right. Well, I love you both very much. You both have made me so proud because you've been so good this year. You know it. All right.
Thank you, Santa. Merry Christmas. Bye, Mrs. Claus. Thank you. I do love Santa, but I think Santa was being extremely nice with you, saying that you're being super good all year long.
No.
You and Kyle behaving. I don't know about that. Is that true, Karen?
It's true. It's true. They behave when they're sleeping.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
He's just
They're
trying to
angels when they sleep.
He's just trying to hide the fact that Kyla can't really behave well.
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, you know what? I think Santa's trying to move on the line really quick, so it's easier for him to say that he has witnessed
Santa's
Kyle and
very
Kalo
sweet.
behaving. Yeah, okay. All right, family. So like we told you earlier, they do have a petting zoo in here. Look at this. Pretty cool. I like this. You can meet certain animals, mostly goats, and like a mini horse down there. That's pretty awesome though. And check out the different activities that you could do over here. So this is all included in the price. This is a bargain.
This is a bargain, yes.
Or like our friend Nicole likes to say in Spanish, this is a ganga, people. Family, this is a ganga. You get all these kind of fun activities included with your not so expensive price of $15.99 per person. That's all that they're asking.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's really, really good.
And you have a kid 10 years and younger, they walk out of here with a gift. You know, what other place can do that, honestly?
They
Amazing.
get to meet Santa. They get to do rides. It's amazing.
Ride the train, dance with on the stage. It's just simply amazing. I think you guys are
Too old?
too old for that one. That's all right.
age.
There's no age involved over here.
Aren't y'all that one YouTube family that came for?
Yes, we are,
excursion?
man. Yes, absolutely. We came back. We love you guys so much. We have to come back and see what you do for Christmas.
I cannot.
He'll help you. He just gotta adjust you.
You're fine.
There you go.
Ages real quick. So that if they're above 11 or above, then if the seatbelt won't fit, then they're fine.
Okay. There you go. Bye. Why is Kyle holding to dear life? To dear, you can tell he's holding to dear life, like he's like riding a bull or something. Let me show it to you. Look at him. Like he's riding the bull. Look at this. Ride number 2 of these nutshells over here. Have fun. I do enjoy seeing the kids having fun once in a while. There you go. All right, who's doing the carousel and who's doing the Ferris wheel? Oh boy. All right, well, how about the trolley? Let's do the trolley. This our Uber has arrived now. This is cool though. All right, we're back here in Bloomtown. Last time we saw this town, it actually happened to be during Halloween. But this hidden town is decorated this time around.
My name is Mr. Snow, and this is my lovely assistant, Miss Winter. Say hi. I'm going to be singing you a little ditty known as White Christmas. Does anybody know that song, White Christmas?
Yeah.
Got a little one in this one? Yes, we do. Want another CD?
Snow. I said I'm dreaming of a white. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Well, that was fun. It's a different side of the town for sure. Because it was creepy the first time that we went through that town. Well, Kyla is ready. And which one you got, Kyla? Let me see. A tall one. Look at Kyla. Kyla is petrified. Kyla and Kyla decided to do the Ferris wheel. And if you remember, Kyla was panicking when they did DCA. When they did the Ferris wheel in DCA, but I think, look at her. Look at her right now. Let me see if I got a better shot. Ryan! There you go. Let's see Kyla. Right? She's holding to dear life over there, people.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys, from Kirby's Family Farm here in Williston, Florida. What an amazing night. First of all, before we go into the outro, thank you to the Kirby family for having us. Thank you so much. Also, an amazing job to all the volunteers.
Yes, you guys did an amazing job. Thank you so much for everything you do.
What you guys do is beyond amazing. It's not amazing, it's beyond amazing. So thank you to every single person that volunteers here and makes this event possible. But what do you guys thought? You know,
I thought that it was really fun, and I even made Kyla go on the Ferris wheel.
Yeah, that was fun. Was it fun? Was it a fun ride?
It was creepy though.
It was creepy.
Because they kept stopping us literally right on the top.
Oh, they always do that. So
I thought it was really, really fun and different from all the things that we've tried, except almost dying in the Ferris wheel. Other than that, it was so cool.
you are fine, Mom.
It was an amazing time. It's really pretty. It's very beautiful. A lot of lights. The staff here is amazing. So thank you for everything. You guys did an amazing job.
Yeah, there you go, guys. So $15.99. That's it per person. And you can come here Fridays and Saturdays. Just check the website. Friday, Saturday, and some Sundays. Amazing. Thank you, Kirby family, for having us. It was cool to see Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus. That was kind of cool to see. But anyway, guys, sadly, this adventure has ended. And with that said, we got to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash the like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next semester.
Bye,
guys.
Boom.
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 See ya.
Bye.